Where are we, Timmy?
Tantabiddi!
Yeah.
My all-time favourite fishing spot in all of Australia. I used to come here fishing at least once a week when we lived here, and it's just the best place. Beautiful. You're always going to catch something here. Jump in the water, catch a prey. It's just an awesome place. And show you all these people for the whale sharks. They're all coming out, all in the whale boats. These are all big whale shark boats. People come all around the world. Find amazing things to be able to see and do here at Exmouth. I'm chasing spangos, Serena's chasing squid. I'm going to use my little gold Halco popper. That is the bomb up here. Just casting that out. Okay, Serena's got a squid jig in.
Timmy's onto something on his little $50 special rod. What is he, Timmy?
Woohoo! Exmouth spangos. Serena with her first squid lead. Lift him up out of the water. He's a big fella.
That is one big squid.
Look at the size of that bad boy. Ew! Ningaloo squidlies!
So what's the chance of you landing this one with the little rod?
Slim. Depends how I play it. Depends. If he starts heading to some of the bombies, I'm in trouble. So I'm always out in the open like this. I'm ready to tire himself out. He's a solid big spango. Or a big Trevally, one or two. Saw him come up, put him down, bang. Epic fight. Big Trevally, I'm pretty sure it's a big Trevally. It's been fighting for about 15 minutes already on really light gear. That is a solid golden Trevally. Have a look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Exmouth is the best fisheries ever. Love it. Oxygen back into his gills, back into his system. That was gold. Well, we've had such a beautiful morning fishing this morning here out on the Ningaloo Reef inside the lagoon. Going to enjoy a little bit of a relax on the beach for a bit, and then we're going to shoot outside the reef and see if we can have a swim with a whale shark, even some Manta Rays. One of the things we loved living here in Exmouth is we've been out fishing out the back of the reef, and many a times we've had whale sharks come right up to our boat And while we've been fishing, and it's just been such an amazing experience to always see that. You could jump in the water and swim with them. And then generally where there's whale sharks, you sometimes see a lot of other marine life as well. Manta rays. We know at the back of the reef you get a lot of manta rays coming, so that's going to be awesome. Well, we'll go and check that out. So the weather is absolutely perfect. Look at this. Time to get out and explore. We've spotted a whale shark in the water. We're just going to get up a little bit closer and then we'll put our snorkeling gear on and hop in with it. So you don't see that every day of the week.
There he is, you could jump in and have a swim.
Some manta rays. I'm going to jump in the water and show you the big manta rays here. Look at him, right here.